Okay, I've got a Lennox variable speed blower motor, bad. I've went through all the troubleshooting and testing where you jump the pins on the 16 pin connector to see if you could get the motor to come on, telling you that the module's bad and stuff, and that didn't work. So the motor is the problem. Next problem is Lennox is not open on Saturday. It doesn't answer their phone. So what do you do for a customer? We're gonna try one of these puppies out, see how they work. Okay, prior to pulling any motors out, it said to make sure that this board would communicate with that board. So I've done that following the directions, and I'm supposed to have a solid red and a blinking yellow. So moving on. Got the new motor mounted. Now I have to do all the wiring. I should have videoed, but on the motor itself there was a little red wire that you had to jumper into itself for 115 volt, or you left it open for 230 volt. And then there was another a white wire that you would plug into itself if it was clockwise lead in or counterclockwise lead in. So depending on the rotation and the voltage, there was two little wires on the motor you had to mess with. Motor's installed, tested. I had a little issue though. So you connect your speed controls or speeds from the motors here, and initially my low speed was running continuously without a call for a fan. So there's some reset configurations over here that I had to go through to reset the board. And now I've got a jumper wire on there, so it's calling for a fan, but it should be working fine now. So now I got to mount the control and just test it all. I also got to run this green wire up and mount it on my evaporator coil somewhere. Okay, system's back up and running. I've got my sensor wire going up and hooked into my evaporator. So back in business. Thanks for the help, Lennox. Not.